All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and I have a lot of people asking me, okay, you promote the Mediterranean diet, but can I still have desserts? And yeah, you can. This is a fresh, handmade chocolate chip cookie. You can have everything with the Mediterranean diet with some conditions. That means in moderation. What's the moderation? The Mediterranean diet, if you look at the Italian pyramid, there is one of the pyramid that's very important for the general understanding of the Mediterranean diet overall. Says you can have 2 free cookies 2 times a week. Cookies regular shape. One cookie, not a giant cookie. So you can have everything with moderation in the Mediterranean diet. This is a lifestyle. It's not a restrictive diet. So I just wanted to show you. That's what I do. I do the Mediterranean diet for living, and I guess we can do a few cookies together. It's very important that the cookies, they have to be fresh made. You need to know what ingredients they go inside, not from one of those bags that come from the grocery store or the snack machine. Sometimes when I go to the gym, I see the snack machine with 2 big chocolate chip cookies. We're not talking about those. We're talking about this, fresh, made with love in your kitchen. I'm using a tablespoon as a size, and it makes about 25, 30 grams cookies. So I know that if I have 1 plus 1, and that's it, 2 times a week, I'm okay. Because I have other stuff to eat. Salads, soups, meat, chicken, beef, pork, cereal. I got a lot of stuff to eat during the week, not just chocolate chip cookies. So I just wanted to explain you a little bit. I know it's hard to keep off the temptation of eating 3, 4, 5 chocolate chip cookies. But you know, it's all a matter of decision. When you decide to do the lifestyle of the people that live the longest in the world, so the people of the Mediterranean basin, we're talking about Italy, Croatia, Spain, Albania, you know, those countries. Get yourself a map. It says Mediterranean Sea. I'm from Italy, the one that is shaped like a boat. And because I grew up over there, I didn't have to understand how to eat. It was just given to me by birth. Then I went ahead also and studied in a culinary institute. So what I'm cooking is the Mediterranean diet. My videos are to promote the Mediterranean diet because at this time of my career, I've seen so many people eating so bad that I have to give back. So I think I prepared more than 10, 11 million meals in 35 years of career. This is standard of an executive chef. And I'm sure, like other chefs, they can tell you, some people, they just don't pay attention what they eat. They just eat just to fill themselves in, and then unfortunately reverse on them and start creating some problems. So these videos for me are to promote the Mediterranean diet because I travel to Italy all the time. I see the people being healthy, and I have worked hard to find the middle way, so I have changed the international recipes, including also this recipe, in a way that you can still enjoy international food, but you will eat like the people from the Mediterranean area. My website is mealsforlongevity.com. My name is Giuseppe Urbano, and I am a professional executive chef, and thank you for watching. I'll go ahead and bake this, and then enjoy how many? 2. How many times a week? 2 times. Ciao!